So this is the one that's gets separated, and then these are the inside. So I did not know that they're gonna put all together. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. And today's video, as you can see, as obvious as it is, we're going to do unboxing from Amazon. So my name is Philine. It's always good to know when to shop, where to shop, and how to shop, because shopping is an art. Yay! Okay, without further ado, I think this is also not only one box, but we have another one here. I think this have some more inside, and I'm kinda okay. Let's do it. Okay. Forgive me about the air conditioning in the background because it's really hot nowadays, so I will just leave it on. All right, so yeah, it is okay. Hang on. So this is like a global unboxing. Ta-da! Yes. So this one also is the second one, but so this is the one that's gets separated, and then these are the inside. So I did not know that they're gonna put all together. Okay. So this, I got a great deals from Amazon, and it was like some of these are 58% off, so I'm gonna show that to you guys later. We're gonna count, and as you can see, these are bubble mailers, all for my business, bubble mailers. So since they are on sale, I bought quite a bit, you know, because I don't know when they're gonna go on sale again. And there. And since they're all in one box, I have another one that I have not mentioned. Ta-da! It's a okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 bags. 4 bags inside and plus 1. So anyway, so ta-da! This is the Philine thermal vacuum carafe. So I saw this in one of the videos from Philine in Idaho, USA. So I got the promo code from her, so I think that's 15% off, I believe. I'm not so sure, so I forgot. So I went to her video because I watched this one and she reviewed this one. It's called Philine, how do I pronounce it? Philine or Philine. So it's 51 ounce thermal vacuum carafe. Guys, correct me if I'm wrong. So I am surprised that they put this all together. But this one, I only have few discounts for this, but I wanted to have this for, because I love coffee, for the coffee. This is perfect for coffee, and we will do unboxing right now. There you go. So thank you, Philine, in Idaho, USA. Because of you, I am able to discover this pot. I think they're like 27 something, and then I have a discount. I have a coupon 5%, and then I have a discount from clicking the link from Filipina, Idaho, USA. I will also link her channel down here because she does a lot of reviews, and this one I'm interested in from her reviews because I saw that it's kind of nice and nice seal, and guys, I think I'm just low bat today. so there is it comes with the instruction for instruction manual and for cleaning. I have to keep this so I know how to clean this one. And they also have a sizes, different sizes of this. So based on my very own judgment for this one, it seems really durable though. So we're gonna try this. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video. I just buy this product because aside from having a little bit discount, so I buy this product because I was looking for something to put my coffee on. I have my big coffee pot, and a lot of times I just leave the coffee there that I did not finish, so I usually drink 1 cup. And so to keep it really warm that I don't need to reheat it, I will put in here, and it says we will study this one. So I will keep this box as well. So this is so far, it's like a little bit heavier, and as you can see, it's really really nice. So I did not read the instruction because I just unboxed it, of course. I will definitely review this one, see how it does, and we'll see. We'll see how to keep my coffee warm or hot. So okay, so let us ta-da! So this is bubble mailers, and for this price I have here, I actually have my receipt. I print down my receipt, and for this is a pineapple. For pineapple it was $18. This one is the most percentage that I have this most of the discount. It's a 58% discount, and it becomes $7.99. From $18.99 it is now $7.99. Isn't it cool? It is pretty cool. Okay, so let us have this one. So this is a Gary Phony bubble mailer. In case you're wondering why I have a lot of bubble mailers, because in my little business I use this for my jewelries and some clothes that I sell. It's easier, and yeah, it's safe also. So I got this for, this is 10 by 13, and I got this for the 30% off from $18, and this is now $12. These are 25 pieces. What we called the Medtronic white 24 by 24. So usually I use this to wrap my the shoes, like so this is very durable, thick, and it has its own sealer here. So this is perfect for clothes, and also I use this for shoes. So the shoes that have the box, I just put the box here and then seal it and send it. So and this, last but not the least, this is the Prince artwork, fall leaves. This is 40% off. So this is 40% off from $19 to $11. So it's all good. So that is all for today. So in case you are looking for a great deals, you don't need to buy them during the season in Amazon. You don't need to buy them in season. So for example, you buy the fall season during the summertime because now they're on sale. So yes, let me see. So this one is also the plastic one. This is not actually a bubble mailer. So this is usually I use this for my jewelries, because I used to put the jewelries in the box and then put the box in here. Bubble mailer is so cool, you know. See? And why black? Because black is the most affordable one that I've seen in Amazon. So you cannot really choose. If you choose other colors, they're not as 40% as they're not 40% like this one. So of course, and of course this one was the great deals. This is also a bubble mailer. So this is a bubble mailer. This is pretty nice for my little jewelries. So this is most popular. So I like it that it have all the prints, and of course the ticket this. So I have to observe this one and study what it does, not totally study. Observe, and I will give a review based on my very own experience. And so far that's about it. So I have 5 items, and I'm just so happy for my buys, and I am also excited for this. Yes, Tiken. Okay, I have to also look for this company, and then I will review it to you guys in way later on, because I have to observe if it does really work well. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe in my channel, and if you want to avail on great deals or good deals, you can click my Mercari shop there below and see if there's something that you like.